Hey everyone, it's Cameron here again, one of the founders of Tenaz, here again with another great update on our mobile application. You may have already noticed that we have taken the app out of maintenance mode. When we initially did this, we did this in a soft way where we didn't make any announcements. We just took it out of maintenance mode just so we could watch, monitor, and change anything as needed. Now, that being said, we were extremely satisfied with the results. I mean, the server is operating at an extremely efficient capacity. The IP throttling and the bot prevention, all the measures that we put in place during this time are all functioning just as they should. Now, another amazing thing, since we went back live 2 weeks ago, our user base has almost doubled in size. So I just want to take a moment to say thank you directly to the community. To those of you that are mining, to those of you that are commenting and engaging, to those of you that believe in the project, you are forefronting a new era in digital currency. I also hope the community has enjoyed the airdrop bonus promotion I hosted on X a couple days ago, as well as the 3x mining boost on the base rate that is currently live right now. At the time of this video, we are just over 40,000 miners. And a reminder, when we hit 100,000 miners, we will be dropping the mining rates to 75% of the initial rate. If you want to know more about that, check out the white paper on our website, www.minetenaz.com. Now, next, I'm going to start with another reminder to uninstall and reinstall the app if you were previously mining before all these updates happened, just to ensure you have the latest version of the app, or else you still might be seeing some issues. Now, we understand this is a hassle to the user, and there should be a more streamlined way of doing it. Now, it's kind of funny, sometimes on the development side of the app, we are so focused on the mining, the server functionality, blockchain integration, all of the actual core technology of the application, that we sometimes forget some of the basic functions that any app out there should do. But that's what the Tenaz team here is for, to spot issues, rectify them, optimize the app in any way we can. So going forward, any new upgraded versions of the application, there will be a prompt when you open the app to update to the latest version to avoid any confusion and provide a smoother experience for the user. So anyways, I hope you are just as excited as I am that the app is back online and running extremely smooth and providing a great user experience. Make sure to keep an eye on our socials, because I'm going to be reaching out to the community very soon to gain some feedback on the chat feature that we are currently building, as well as discuss some other potential features we plan to integrate into the app. So I hope everyone enjoys the week, and you'll be hearing from me very soon.